Right, guys, welcome to the EdShed. Sorry, about that, I was miles away. Now we have been a bit since Christmas. We've been a bit of a we haven't felt very well. We don't know whether it's the Omicron or Semicron or Semicron, Decepticon, or just Workacron. But whichever it is, it's been pretty exhausting. So I figured that hey, my Christmas greetings was late, but hopefully this will get there tonight or early. Now, what I'm going to say is we haven't got any cameras, so we're doing this on the phone, which you might not see. But we're going to open a little bit of Christmas, New Year's spirit. I've got any. Quite interesting. I've had a few phone calls this morning from friends of mine. One of them just phoned me and told me he's got Omicron, and he's just down the road. So he's been tested. I've been feeling pretty ropey all week, actually, so I have done a bit. I did do some door trim work. I don't know whether I videoed it. I might have done, I might not. To be honest, I have no idea. But for the minute, I've got to just wash my glass out because it's just full of I don't know, full of flies, full of dust, full of something. I know you're going to say that's very extravagant, but it's not, trust me. Anyway, right, so what we're going to say here, guys, is obviously Merry Christmas we've already done. Happy New Year to all the subscribers, and I hope we're going to get some more, and I hope you enjoy watching this dribble. Hopefully we'll get some more dribble going. We're going to get lots more dribble, hopefully, when we get enthusiastic again. For the minute, we just got to get enthusiastic, because what's difficult is, I don't know, it's just, it eats you away, doesn't it, guys? I mean, we've had 2 years of this. 2 years of your life you can't get back. All right, I've done quite a lot. I know this year, I suppose, I did that E-Type. And I've done this, and I've done this, some other year before that I did some so and I've done the Mark II, and I still got some stuff to do, but it's just so hard, it really is. But I'm not letting it get me down. Main reason because it's like they say, Omicron, whatever they're going to give us next, well, we'll see. Let's just hope that next year's virus is less less restricting than this year's one. So on that point of view, I'd like to say to all you guys, Happy New Year, and may your God go with you. Let's hope he does. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye for now.